concerning the maintenance requested must be as low as possible in order to avoid machine downtime and high management cost. High management cost is very tricky system used from several suppliers. In other words, it's like to say printers, where in the past the printers was costing very much. At the end, Hewlett Packard decided to sell at a very cheap price the printer and then sell at expensive price the inkjet in order to have business on that. The same is management cost, and then try to sell at low price the generator in order to have maintenance to be done and recover the profit from year by year by year by year. And some customer they prefer to buy at less price the generator and after continues to pay the maintenance. Good thing if they don't use so much the generator, very bad thing if they continue to use the generator like in the LCMS application. This is our consideration that generator need to work continuously, and then we develop a generator with inside not only a PSA with molecular sieve technology that is consuming less air than membrane, but also less maintenance and less compressor. Require less maintenance. Why? Because we are using compressor at high quality, a compressor that doesn't require continuously to be exchanged every 2000 or 4000 working hours. Our compressor inside, in the model 45, for example, need to be exchanged the piston after 16,000 working hours. Then, yes, it's a little bit more than other compressor, but come on, is guaranteeing at least 4 or 5 working years before maintenance of compressor. And then this is the philosophy that to produce and develop our generator. Other than this, the remote control, when possible, which allow the nitrogen generator to be installed also in other room. And this is important because the space into the laboratory always is not enough. Where I place my generator, I place below the bench, I place in that corner, I place there. Oh, he's making too much noise. Anytime they are not happy. Okay, take the generator, place upstairs, downstairs, in another room, doesn't matter. Important is to know if it is working or not, if it is producing the right pressure or not, or the right purity or not, and then have the possibility to control it remotely by a PC is important. Some evaluation to do when nitrogen generator need to be purchased, and these are the point that we can ask at customer to take in consideration, because it's not only the price at the end is the last stage, because they need to do all this evaluation. The price is not only the price today, is the price today, next year, the year after again, at least for 3 years. In fact, we are winners where we are proposing our generator with 3 years maintenance, 3 years, 4 years maintenance. Peak, they are too expensive. Other companies also.